Head of the statue almost life-size. It was found in 1886 northeast of the Acropolis. The statue is a work of the so-called severe style, a period during which the artists began to prefer bronze for the production of large-scale statues. It depicts a bearded hoplite with individual facial characteristics. The upper part and the back side of the head were smoothened so that a separately cast helmet, now lost, would be attached in the drilled holes. The hair forms short locks on the forehead, the beard is rendered in wavy incisions and the eyebrows are made in relief. The eyes were made of glass whereas the irises were of some other inlaid material, which is not preserved.
Hoplite, Ancient Greece, 7th through the 4th centuries BCE. As the core of the Greek military from the 7th through the 4th centuries BCE, hoplites derived their name from the phrase "ta hopla," meaning equipment or tool. Greek hoplites were heavy infantry soldiers, citizen soldiers who equipped themselves when called to fight for the polis or city-state. In Athens, males from ages 18 to 20 completed 2 years of compulsory military service. When Athens was at war, men up to the age of 60 could be called into action. Other city-states like Corinth similarly formed military forces when needed, rather than have a professional standing army. Training during the first year included wrestling and other activities to build physical strength, agility, and endurance. The second year emphasized military duties such as patrolling, living and manning barracks, and working alongside veterans. Hoplites also spent time doing drills and becoming comfortable with the phalanx formation, while simultaneously learning how to most effectively use their weapons.
Conventional term used to describe those artifacts, whose origin is uncertain and are attributed either to workshops that were active on the island of Aegina or to workshops in Attica.